Instead, every single project gets its own Obsidian vault, living right inside the project folder, committed to Git alongside your code. That means your documentation, your architecture decisions, your AI context file, all of it versioned, all of it scoped to the project, and all of it readable by Copilot when you're writing code. Let's build it from scratch. Before we touch any tool, let me explain the structure we're going for, because this is where most people go wrong. Most developers treat their nodes as separate from their code. They have Notion open in one tab, the repo in another, and the AI has no idea what either of them contains. What we want instead is this. You have a projects folder on your machine. Inside it, every project is a self-contained directory. The code lives in a source folder.